Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to copy formula down in Google Sheets. So the first step is to create a formula, so I will create a sum formula for these two columns. First, equals, and now sum. Click on this, and in order to do it, let's do it like so. Click enter, and as you can see, it is summing up now these two columns. So in order to copy your formula down, you will have to drag from this little dot all the way to down right here. As you can see, it is simply like this, or you can do just double click right here. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.